The postman's been! Yay! Let's go! Hi guys. You say hello to YouTube? Hello! And the little girl. Hi Inky. Right, let's go and see what the postman has left. Some water cooling stuff, not from the postman. And this bad boy we will get to. There it is. Hello, beautiful. Anyway, let's go. Oh, we've got this. I think I know what this is. Let's get it back into the office. It's me, it's me. Hi, I've literally seen you 30 seconds ago. Hello. Come on in, let's go. Let's pop some lights on. Yes, this is the office. I'm doing a bit of a tidy, but we will get to an office tour shortly. But let's have a look at what this is. Let's grab the old trusty knife and let's see what is in this bad boy. Oh, very hard to do it with one hand and videoing at the same time, but we will get here. Another box. I wonder what is in this. Let's find out. Let's put it on the floor. My goodness. Tell you what, one video doing it one-handed is pretty hard. Hi Ink. Ink. Hey! She's a little bit deaf. She's getting on. She's 15. And this little boy is 11. So let's get back. Ho ho ho. What have we got here? Oh. What do we have? We have got, ooh, we've got the boom arm, which I ordered. Excellent. Some packaging. We have got, we've got the Knox gear. We've got the basic microphone shock mount. That's the 44 to 47 mil one. Excellent. And I think the major one, switch, we have, oh, we've got the pop filter. Excellent. So that should make audio even better. And the main bad boy is this one. Let's try and open it again, guys, with one hand. Just bear with me. I think what we've got in here. Ho ho ho. We've got this bad boy. Woo! Right, let's see if I can get this open. One hand. Oh. Come on. Perfect. Oh yeah. More goodies to add to the setup. Look at that. Ho ho ho. If it's not car parts, it's PC parts. If it's not PC or car parts, it's audio parts. Woo! So let's get this opened up and we can get it installed and see how the audio compares to the Samsung. Alright guys, Banatech, bye. And just like that guys, we are back. So that was a relatively, do you know what, easy install. So yeah, we've got the headphones, we've got the actual unit itself, we've got the condenser mic, we've got the XLR, we also got the shock mount. So we'll quickly go through it. The unit itself, we've got the Focusrite 2i2 Studio. This comes with the XLR cable. It comes out, runs through the back, up along, and it goes into the top or the bottom of the condenser. We've got the shock mount here, we've got the condenser mic on its own there, we've got the boom arm which runs along, down, goes into the base housing unit, which is this here. This can then swivel left and right. As you can see, it's very, very easy. I do actually love it. The base unit then slides into this metal bracket here, from which it's completely secured and it goes into the bottom of the table or the little unit I have, and it's very solid. I must admit. We have the USB-C for power, and from that it goes into the back of my PC. Don't worry about the cables; they're next to get done. We've got the 48 volt passive. So if you're using a condenser mic, you have to have that on. The monitor dial, don't know yet. I'll need to do some digging on it. Still working that out. I kind of know obviously what these are for, but again, I'll just double check on that. These two are for the inputs for clipping. So if this is me talking into the mic, but I'm not using the mic for audio, I'm still using the camera. And as you can see, this one here is staying green all the time. You want it to stay green or obviously in yellow or amber. If you go into the red, it's called clipping and the audio is pretty, well, in fact, it's very, very poor. So yeah, so you want to stay in the green for this one and this one, but if you're on this one, it just means you've only got one input for, say, a user who's obviously talking into the mic or condenser. So if we had two people talking, you would see both of these flashing. I'm pretty sure if I had someone else who wants to listen, they can go in and plug into this port, and we can just use the one XLR. So basically one mic and two people listening via this one and this one here. So that's it guys. I'm trying to do things bit by bit. I'm hoping you're liking the videos. Please obviously like and subscribe, comment, loving the comments, because you know I'm just starting out. Things are starting to get better. Every time I do a video, things, you know, I notice things that I can do better on the next one. Oh, before I forget, the package comes with the Scarlett, what is it? The Scarlett headset. So this is it here, and this is my original ones, which I was doing the kind of first videos on. These ones here, the Bose ones, are terrible for audio, but they're very, very good on my head and ears. The reverse is on this. These have no audio, and I'm going to be using the mic, but after like 20 minutes with these on my head, they absolutely murder my ears. Excuse me, a little burp. They're absolutely terrible on my ears. So I've got to take them off and give the old big ears a break. So yeah, yeah, you know what? They do work. They do work. If you can put up with taking them off for a couple of minutes, yeah, you know what? They're fantastic and they're absolutely great for first timers and obviously setting out. And that's what I'm doing. We don't need to go the full studio kit, as in, you know, full hog, thousands and thousands of pounds. So yeah, that, you know what? Yeah, I like them. I like them. That's it. I'm currently watching Jurgen, who has uploaded his video, and this car here is the back car. That one. And from that, I'll be picking this up in the next couple of weeks. It's finished, just waiting on tyres. You've probably seen some of the videos on the channel. So that's next to get picked up, or, you know, something in the pipeline. Please like and subscribe his channel. It's JM Imports. And that's it, guys. So please like and subscribe. Tell me where I'm going wrong, what I can do better, what you'd like to see next, if I can do it. Obviously, you know, budget restrictions will determine what's going on. Next up will be my friend's laptop. This will be a complete clean. Dust out, thermal paste replaced, brand new M.2, brand new SSD, 1 terabyte each, and brand new memory, taking it from 8 gig up to 32 gig, and a brand new installation of Windows 11. So this will be a flying machine for gaming. Eddie. Hi pal. Say hello. That's the big man, star of the channel, and the little girl sleeping. So yeah, so that's us, guys. Please, again, like and subscribe. This is obviously just a quick video. In the background, 5950X, 3090, all stock at the moment. We'll do something on that. I've got parts arriving to fully complete it, and then we'll get another video up on that. Probably a tour of my setup going forward. We've got packages to open over here. This one, that stuff behind there, we've got them to do as well. It's all go, so I'm trying my best to get good quality videos up. So yeah, that's us, guys. We will see you in the next one. Have a good one. See ya.